I do get the question often, particularly from investment bankers, can you buy a much larger acquisition? Well, yeah, of course we can. If we've been trending, 26 million in revenue, we could buy a $20 million revenue business. Do I think that's smart? No, I don't, right? And if you think about the nature of the businesses we acquire, and M&A as a toolkit in your strategy is inherently risky. Like M&A is risky. We do it, and we'll continue to do it, but it's a riskier strategy. I mean, any business that's out there always buying, that's a risky strategy. And I think people just have to realize that. And when you have an inherently risky, part of your strategy like M&A, I think you have to look at it in a way that mitigates the risk. So how do we do that as a small, publicly traded company? Well, we buy small mom and pop businesses. And so if we get one of them wrong, are we happy? No. Does it stop what we're doing? No. If we buy a $20 million revenue business and we screw that up, that will set us back 3 years. And that's the difference. So could we buy these large? Yeah, all day long. We could. We could dilute the heck out of the stock. We could buy these businesses. All this stuff I don't think is the right thing to do. The right thing to do for our company right now is to continue along the path we are, buy these small little businesses. It doesn't take a lot. 2 of these deals can improve our EBITDA by 20%, right? Like we're a small business. We continue to buy small businesses, and so that's the way that we're running right now. We'll take larger bites as we grow, just like most companies do. But I just think people have to realize, whether they're looking at our company or any other company, when they look at M&A as part of the strategy, it's risky. And the question is, what does the management team do to mitigate the risk? And that's how we do it. We look at these small businesses and we say, okay, we think it's going to work, otherwise we wouldn't buy it. If it doesn't, what impact does that have on us? But that's why we've sort of avoided these much larger transactions for the time being.